My dear students, yesterday I was completed till variables. One topic that I was left yesterday about the variable was type of variables. I will discuss this in the next video when I will teach you about the variables, about the functions. My today class is related with the expressions. Today I will teach you about the expressions. Under this I will teach you about what is the expression, type of expression, how do we evaluate the expressions. Now let us start expressions. First of all I will define expression for you. What is the definition of expression? Then any valid combination of operators, literals and variables is known as expression. Any valid combination of operators, literals and variable is known as expression, not a literal. In the definition you are seeing that any valid combination of operators, literals and variables is known as literals. It is not a literal, it is a expression. Due to the mistake here it is written as literals. In Python, expressions can be of any type, that is arithmetic expression, string expression, relational expression, logical expression, compound expression, etc. Generally, the type of expression depends upon the type of operator. The operator that is used in the expression decides the type of expression. We know there are different types of operator. I mean arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator, etc. Now let us see the arithmetic operator. I have told you the type of operator decides the type of expression. In any expression, if arithmetic operators are used, then it is known as arithmetic expression. In any expression, if relational operators are used, then it is known as relational expression. In any expression, if arithmetic and relational both operators are used, then it is known as compound expression. Like this. Now let us see each one by one. Arithmetic expressions. Arithmetic expressions are those expressions which consist of numbers and arithmetic operators. Numbers means integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers only. I am giving you the example of arithmetic expression. 2 plus 3 minus 9 minus 8 multiplied by 5 divided by 9 etc. These are the example of arithmetic expressions. Means it consists of integers, floating point numbers, complex number and arithmetic operator. I would like to remind you about the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are those operators which is used for the computation, and there are 6 arithmetic operators in the Python, that is addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator, modulo division operator and floor division operator. The symbol of each arithmetic operators are given here. One example I explained for you, 6 plus 7 minus 5 multiplied by 8. As well as this expression is computed, it will give you the single value, one result, and that is 27. I hope you are clear with the arithmetic expressions. Now let us see relational expressions. An expression having literals and variables of any valid type and relational operators, it is known as relational expression. For example, x greater than y, comma, y less than or equal to z, comma, z not equal to x, etc. These are the examples of arithmetic logic relational expressions. I would like to clear one more thing. What are the relational operators? Relational operators are used for the comparison purpose, and the symbol of relational operators are greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, etc. I have explained all these things in front of you. Just you need to see and remember. I am giving you the few examples of relational expression. 5 greater than 6. This is a relational expression because here we use the relational operator greater than. Relational operator greater than. Here we used relational operator greater than. That's why 5 greater than 6 is a relational expression and the output of this is false. I would like to tell you, relational operator gives result in the form of true and false. So here the outcome of every relational expression will be in the form of either true or false. Now let us see logical expression. An expression that has literals and valid type of variables and logical operators, then it is known as logical expression. I would like to tell you about the logical operators. What are the logical operators? Logical operators are used for combining the logical expression. What is the logical expressions or logical statements? Logical statements are those that can be evaluated either true or false. So the logical expressions are used to combine the logical statements or logical expressions. The few logical operators are logical and, logical or, logical not. I have explained all these things in this video detail. You are seeing in the notes. One example related with the logical expression is 5 greater than 7 or 7 less than 9. Here we used logical operator or, and the logical operator evaluates true if any one expression or statement is true or both statements are true. Here 5 greater than 7 is false, 7 less than 9 it is true. The combined outcome of this expression will be true. Now let us see string expression. It consists of string operators and strings and integers. It means the string expression consists of only three things. First, string operators. Second, any string. Third, integers. Here I am giving you the example for this. P plus W. The outcome of this expression will be PQ. Here plus is used as a concatenation operator. When we sometimes student becomes in confusion between the string operator concatenation and arithmetic operator plus. Then I would like to tell you, when plus is used with string, then it is known as concatenation operator, and when plus is used with numbers, then it is known as arithmetic addition operator. So be clear, any one operand, if any one operand is of string type, then it acts as a concatenation operator and comes under the category of string operator. Similarly here, Ram asterisk 2, it gives result twice time ram ram. It gives result twice time ram ram. Here here we mentioned this is the result would be ram ram. Here asterisk is a replication operator. Listen my words carefully. Ram asterisk 2 will gives the result ram ram. It means twice time ram ram. So I hope a difference between the concept about the